The following video features a 45-year-old woman. I'm not vegan. I'm not a super fit yogi. I don't live off grid. I don't take ice baths in the winter river. An ice bath in the river. That's one of those things that sound like a good idea. Till your toe gets in there, then you're like, no way. I would like to try it though. In my time, I've learned lots of things that make me feel really good, and I know the things that make me feel not so good. This video, I offer a handful of things that make me feel great. I hope you enjoy. This year is all about having fun while I'm making these videos. And today I wanted to talk about some healthy habits for the new year, 2021. Welcome 2021. The first one I want to talk to you about, this is new. It's planning some healthy new meals, she says as she pulls marshmallows out of her bag, and healthy new snack. We have had a decadent Christmas, eating lots of sugar, lots of delicious pastries, lots of meat. Oh gosh, all those delicious things. But it is time now in the new year to stop. So we are all very sugar addicted here right now. So I am going to cut back, way back on the sugar, revamping the diet to get more fruits and vegetables into it. I prefer the organic because I know they spray a lot of pesticides in leafy vegetables. Anyway, here's to feeling good. Into the freezer.
No, like it'd be healthy. Yeah, I've had my hot chocolate with these.
Grab my glass of water when I get up. My walk is usually about 20 minutes in the morning, but I like when I come home that the water's already been boiled and I can just touch it and it will quickly come back to the boil and I can make my tea. So let's go for that walk. Another healthy habit that I've been doing for over a year is to go outside for a walk with the dogs every single day. No matter what the weather is, no matter how cold it is, rainy, there's nothing that keeps me from going for a walk. Except for when I broke my ankle. But I broke my ankle while walking the dogs. She pulled me off the road. I love it. It's so beautiful and it's so nice to see how every single day the weather is just a little bit different. There are never 2 days in a row that are the same. I come from a family of walkers. My dad is from Austria and he grew up, I guess, hiking in the Alps. Do I go this way? Or... Okay, I'm gonna put the camera away and go for a really good walk. Oh, I just got back from my walk. You will never regret going on a walk, ever. It's sometimes hard to get off your butt and get outside, but by the time you get home, you'll be like, yeah, that was so wonderful. I'm gonna go in now and make myself a cup of tea, and it might be time to make my green smoothie. That's another really healthy habit. I have made green smoothies on and off for the past 10, 15 years. So I've been doing this for a long time, and I noticed that when I am drinking green smoothies, I feel much better. Like, inevitably, I feel much better, and I'm getting a lot of greens. And sometimes you just don't feel like a salad, but with a green smoothie, you just drink it down and it's delicious. So I'm gonna show you how I make them. The base of it is always a banana and some kind of frozen fruit. I like frozen berries. Obviously you can use any frozen fruit, and spinach and spring mix. I also add, I know it's supposed to build stronger nails, stronger hair. My nails do grow really fast when I eat this every day, so it's supposed to be good for your joints as well. I noticed that I'm starting to get a little bit of arthritis in my hands, and when I take this, I don't seem to notice it as much or at all. But is it directly related? A teaspoon of fish oil to get my omega-3. Oh, look at all the stuff at the bottom. Shake well. Ooh. Yeah, man, I'm supposed to be shaking that. I never read that until just right now. Let's shake up the fish. Oh yeah, oh wow, you can't even see through it anymore. Okay, now we're getting it. Now I'm gonna feel really good. Sometimes I also throw in some hemp seeds. And you know what's really good too? Just a little bit. I cut up some carrots, and with this blender, I have a Vitamix. It pulverizes anything you put in there. I always make enough for at least 2 people. I just use water and eyeball it to about there. And you can always add more, but you can't take away. They kind of look gross. They're sort of this purpley brown color, but I'm telling you, they're really good. And if I drink them every day, I feel fantastic. I highly recommend green smoothies if you do want to get healthy in the new year. Cheers. Behind me here is my bed, and you'll notice that there's no blanket. And this is another healthy habit I do every single day without fail, is I take the duvet off my bed every morning and I hang it up outside so it can air out for the day outside. When you think about it, at night we sweat. If you wake up in the morning and make your bed right away, it's keeping all the heat in that mattress. I am so lucky with this house that I have a balcony off the master bedroom with a patio door. So every morning I put the duvet out, I shake it out, get the dust off it, and let it puff up there for a few hours, and later on in the day I will make the bed. And it does, the duvet puffs up, it's aired out, it gets rid of any smell that was in there, and it just makes for such a nice sleep that night with a nice puffy, fresh duvet. I also open the window and let it air out. Even when it's -30, this drives my husband crazy. Sometimes you just have to go and open the windows. There's nothing like fresh air. I also keep a shovel out on my patio, and I keep the snow shoveled off all winter just so I can go out there and hang out my duvet. I'm serious about this. Another thing I do every single day that is so healthy and has made a huge positive impact in my life is daily meditation. I do my daily meditation reclined on my bed, and since doing that, I have been able to successfully meditate every single day for over a year now. In the past, I've tried meditation many times, and I couldn't do it more than a few days. I got so frustrated sitting there. Because of a back injury that I had, I was forced to lie down because I couldn't sit. And at that time, I started meditating again, and it was amazing. I've meditated for up to 2 hours, no problem. I look forward to it every single day, and it has made a huge positive impact. Are you still here? Thanks for watching this video to the end. If you're interested in hearing more of my wisdom, I could go on. And I don't make the best choices all the time, but I'm always trying and I'm always learning. And what else can we do, right? Thanks so much. I will see you next time. I hope. Bye. This spaghetti squash, do you know what's the best way to eat this spaghetti squash? Squash it.